Hello, my name is Waqas and I'm into real estate almost 8 years or more than 8 years right now. So whatever I will be speaking here is my personal opinion. There are some investors, they might agree with me, some people might not agree, but again, we can have conversation and discussion on these chapters. So today, I wanted to discuss about why someone has to sell, because a lot of agents, they will call and they will ask the owner, are you looking to sell or sell this property? This is the right time. This is the best time to sell the property. But why you have to sell? This is a question, because don't take agent serious that this is the right time to sell. Market can go down or market can go up. It doesn't matter. The thing is that you need to understand what is the why you need to sell, and do you need to sell this property what you purchased? Because everywhere the real estate is one of the most secure assets in the world, or most secure investments. So if I am selling as a seller, if I am suggesting to a seller to sell your property, there should be some reason, there should be something logical. So what I think should be a logical reason is, first thing, that if this property is not giving him a good return on investment, what he's expecting, so he should sell it. If he has a better opportunity somewhere else, he should sell it. He should not sell by thinking that the market will go down and now it's the right time to sell. He has to sell the property based on his options, opportunity cost I call it, because if he has an opportunity cost where he can make a better money, then he can sell. Otherwise, why don't you keep it and you have a good rental return in Dubai as compared to the whole world? Like, we have comparison. So as a comparative, Dubai real estate market is having a good rental returns, and they are one of the most safe returns here in around the world, which is tax free. So now let's get back to the point. As I discussed, if someone has a business opportunity where he can make a better percentage, maybe 15%, 20%, 30% return on his business in a year, so he has this option to sell the property and invest in business. Then if, for example, he thinks that this property is getting older and he can buy a brand new one, he's getting a better offer in both places, he can sell this and he can buy a brand new one or a better opportunity. For example, if someone has an apartment right now and he want to sell and buy a townhouse, so this is a logical reason for him to sell. Or for example, if someone has a townhouse and he think that he got the maximum return or maximum profit what he was looking, and now he should invest in off plan and again start from zero, buying some small off-plan multiple units or multiple options and sell it later on, then he can sell. Or aside from this also, sometime you as a seller, you purchase an off-plan and now is giving you profit, and you think that this profit is good because, for example, if someone paid $1 million dirham and he's making 100,000 or 200,000 profit on his $1 million dirham investment, where he purchased his original price of is 3 million or 4 million, 5 million. So it's better for him. He thinks that he is making a good percentage as a ROI or premium. So he will sell it. So again, don't think that what agent is telling you that this is the right time. Think what opportunity you have, or why you want to sell it. Once you are clear with the view of selling, then reach the right agent who can at least give you the right price, or who can at least guide you, or you can do also research by yourself. And right now a lot of information available on internet, like Property Finder, or there are so many websites like DXB Interact, or land department website, they have open data. So now, in my opinion, Dubai real estate market is still growing, at least for this year, and the sellers who are looking to sell, if they retain the unit, they still will make money. So again, as I discussed with you, that it depends on you, what you feel right now, that you can exit and go for a better opportunity, or you can buy another off plan because you already made the premium from the existing property. So it's on you. Market still has potential right now. Real estate is still have demand, and supply is again less supply as compared to the demand. So before you sell, you can have my number, you can discuss with me, we can discuss the area and market supply situation based on the real estate transaction data, and more suggestions we can like any idea we can discuss. So you have my number. My name is Waqas. See you again.